Hi, I'm Manvita,
Shweta. I'm Yashashwini. I'm Namrita.
and we are from CMR NTU RTPL.
SLP program 2024-25.
Yes,
Karanyam.
Do you guys remember when we first heard about the SLP? We were so excited to decide what to do this year and which organization to pick, which organization to aid, and we were so intrigued about what to do. And then we had that student council meeting with the principal and the coordinators about which school to pick, and the idea came, which thing to pick. And the idea came up that we were going to aid a government school.
In the Munekolal. Isn't it right?
Munikolala, yeah,
Munikolala.
yeah.
So basically, the main reason why we picked this particular school in Munekolala was because we believe that children are the foundation to a society. They're like the roots of a tree, and the roots need to be nourished, right? So anything that is a foundation needs to have proper facilities so that we can grow up into
Yes.
proper human beings and do good for the society. So now this particular government school, they do have facilities, but they needed more things to make their children
Develop.
students
More
develop. And,
yeah.
hence we chose the school, and I feel it was a great opportunity for us as well to get to know them. Yeah.
Yeah, and at CMR ITPLPU, we always believe in giving back to the society. And with this SLP, we could learn how to, sell stuff, how to handle responsibilities, hardworking. It was a series of all lifeful skills we had to learn, and it was really, really, enjoyable. At the same time, learning experience, everything was enriching.
So you guys did go to the school before we had our fundraising thing, right? So how was your experience? How did you feel about it?
It was a good experience. So me, Yashaswini, and a bunch of other student council members went to visit the school. And over there were small kids, right? They were in primary school, first grade, second grade, third grade, and we visited these classrooms.
Yes, we found them purely amazing. They were incredibly good. They were so interactive. They were so hyped up, hyperactive children, and we had a good time there.
Yeah, and despite being so energetic, they were also very attentive in class. Like the teachers would ask questions and they would answer. Like everyone was answering in the classes, right? So they were very enthusiastic to learn.
That's the type of classes we need here.
Yeah, we do. And despite all the hardships they face, they're so happy. Like when we were talking to them, they were so happy talking about what they're playing, what they're learning in school, and what they like and dislike.
And adding on to that, teachers were so happy having them, and children were more interactive with the teachers. I believe that bonding is really important.
I don't think the kids felt any difference between other people. There was no prejudice or like hatred towards anyone based on what they look like or how they are. Everyone was very friendly with each other. They were all good friends and they had a good mindset.
Indeed. We met these middle school students who were actually very curious about studying. And I still remember one of them asking me about what kind of passion they have, what kind of passion I have. And
They asked
giving
all.
oh yeah, actually they did. And the beautiful part I remember was when they actually came to us giving roses.
That was so
my
nice.
God.
So like all the kids, we don't know where they got the flowers from. Out of nowhere, a bunch of kids started coming towards all of us, and they were giving us roses and flowers that they found.
so
We
cute.
were like,
It's
"This is for
really
you. This is for you."
We felt so welcomed
Yeah,
over there.
it was so
Pure
nice.
innocent souls. Oh my god.
I
they were-
honestly wish I was there.
It was really nice. And there was this girl that I met in the fourth grade classroom. She was very interested in learning how to dance. So she was like, "Akka, can we have a dance class? I really want a dance class." And there were a bunch of kids who wanted drawing classes as well. So there's a lot of things that they wish they could have, like extracurriculars, more than just studying, for a holistic approach to schooling, right? So then this is also why we had cultural programs, why the school sent students to interact with the kids and teach them dancing, singing. There was a performance as well given by the students for the primary school kids entertainment.
Actually, what I noticed was they were actually well brought up kids. They
Yeah.
had so much, they were well mannered. The only one thing, no, not only the one thing, the most imaginable or the most, what do you say that? Most catchy thing. The most catchy thing was when they had a rule that they had to leave their shoes outside the classroom and they had to enter.
Yeah, that
So
was
they
very
treated
nice.
their classrooms as temples, and that
Yeah.
is just so amazing.
That is literally the
is-
root of our Indian
Indian
culture.
culture,
yeah.
Leaving the shoes outside a temple
Yes.
and leaving the shoes outside a classroom.
And worshipping the classroom, the teachers,
Keeping the books
yes,
neatly.
They were very
Knowledge.
respectful to the teachers.
Hmm.
It was very nice seeing how they
With
were.
their peers, with their friends also, and they used to share stuffs and what if. And I remember that it's not quite different because people when they had no chairs or something, tables or chairs, they actually were so comfortable sitting down and learning. They
They
had
didn't
maths.
care about
Yeah,
know,
they did.
superficial
I
things. They
feel
didn't care
that
about.
teaches us more, of how to be humble.
Yeah, and to appreciate what we have.
Because us being, in this environment with everyone having all the facilities, we just,
don't
get
respect
more.
it enough.
Yeah, we don't
and
respect it enough, and we get more,
Yes.
against our main roots.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we don't see it in that
No.
positive light that these
Exactly.
kids see. It was really nice seeing how positively they looked about, like,
It was
How-
things
how they
in
saw
life.
school,
it
yeah.
was really
they were just so eager to be in school and to learn and interact with people. It was very nice.
So, I remember around a week and a half before our main SLP thing, we had a newspaper drive, and we were.
Yes, I remember because first we didn't really know the SLP what the newspaper drive was there, but then after every teacher and all the council
Council
members
members
started
came up with the
talking about
awareness.
it, I got really intrigued. Then I felt first of all I didn't know how much I should donate and if it was really usable, but then after that I donated a ton of them, and following me everyone started donating. Then I thought I gave
That was
them
a good
the,
initiative,
yeah, it's a
honestly.
good. And after that every day a person would come up and donate a little bit, but it's still a
I
bit.
find the newspaper drive very intriguing because that's such a unique idea, and I have honestly never heard of this anywhere before. Like a newspaper
Yeah.
drive to raise money for a good cause. That's honestly so good.
yeah,
Credits
it's
to the
like
awareness spread by the students. Actually,
Honestly.
we all came up together. We
Yeah.
went to the classrooms. and
Even the
spread
teachers
awareness.
did a lot for this. They
Yes, the
constantly
student
they kept
council, the
reminding
teachers.
everyone.
Yeah.
Especially during the assemblies. Oh my
Yeah.
god.
And how they
Every-
kept
every-
individual, the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, they tried to like
House
bring
points.
about competition between the
Yes.
houses, like which house donates more newspapers gets more points.
Yeah, they made it into a game.
Yeah,
it
I
was,
loved it.
it
The
was
best part-
lively.
The best part was when we got to know about our stalls, and everyone was just so excited. We all formed up groups to make
Yeah.
stalls. And do you remember how everyone started marketing about their stall?
Yeah, and people are fighting like, no, we're doing this stall. You guys do some other stall.
Exactly.
Yeah, that was really fun.
The teachers thought that they have to force it into making stalls, but out of nowhere,
No.
in the
Yeah,
one class, there were
everyone was
10
so
stalls
excited
coming
about
up.
it.
Yeah, it had to be controlled at some point.
And then
Yeah.
I think there was like this haunted house or like this gaming thing,
Yeah,
and then
right?
there was like they marketed on Instagram as well. So that was a really good move, I feel.
I feel like marketing online was such a good move because it
Exactly.
brought more people to come into the event. That was nice.
And then we also had people from outside who saw the Instagram stories and other social media platforms and then came to our
Yeah.
college
Yes,
for
yes.
this SLP thing. So that was a pretty good success, I feel.
Yeah, remember how it was when preparing for the stalls? Like
Oh God,
the
that's
days
right.
before the
Yes,
stalls
yes.
was so hectic.
We all had
But
to
they were
prepare
also
a
kind of
lot.
like the best times of
They
our
were.
life.
We had such good fun working with our team and planning what to do, who's going to do what about the
We
stall.
were
And
quite
we-
getting along with our friends as well.
Yeah,
And
I
it's
feel
so
like-
good contacting them,
Yeah.
telling them to
Yeah.
go to this shop, bring that, bring this. It was so good. And the next day when we met, do you remember? Oh my god, we were all so busy setting up the stalls.
Yes, yes,
We
yes.
had to
Yes,
prepare
yes.
our own tables. We had to find our tables. We used to like, oh, that
Yeah,
corner
everyone
is
was
so
like, where is
perfect.
the table in the first
You know,
place?
Actually, people were, having this aesthetic while our stalls used to
Yes,
go up to the
yeah.
walls.
I
and
got
like,
so
our
jealous
stall
about
was
it.
like that.
Your stall was honestly the best,
It
the
was
most
so nice.
aesthetic one.
I feel like we had so much fun making it also, and we grew closer. Like our friend
Yeah.
group became strong
Yes.
after that.
It was like straight out of a Pinterest board, to be honest.
yes, actually. And even the teachers helped us a lot in the preparation of these stalls. How they came up giving us charts for free, and even a lot of essentials
Yeah, our
Wow.
class teacher helped us a lot. She was like, "You guys need tape? I'll get tape
Yeah,
for you.
yeah,
You need
yes.
spoons? I'll get spoons for you." Like that was very helpful of her. to-
Indeed, the suggestions were really amazing. Every class teacher, every teacher we used to go up to and used to, ma'am, what do you suggest? What are your interests?
They were
actually
as
came up
excited
doing-
as us.
Yeah.
Yes, that was so good.
So, and getting up to them and interacting with them and knowing what their interest was. Oh, I loved it. When I had a personal conversation with my favorite teachers, any other favorite teachers, oh my god, that was really, really amazing.
Yes. And to get to know that the teachers are so fun and free at that point was
Yeah.
really, because we've always seen them in a serious,
Very
environment.
strict and
Yeah,
serious
yeah.
environment,
Yeah.
and then you see them being so chill and being so cooperative and like so friendly. That was so good.
So what stalls did you guys put up for SLP?
Well, me and my friend, we just put up a keychain stall, and it was really creative of her to do that. She managed to make the keychains by herself. Well, I funded it. I gave her all the keychain stuff, the wool she needed to needle felt it, and a lot of stuff. And we finally managed to make 20 of them. We sold them for a reasonable price. Well, a little higher than the reasonable price because it was a fundraising
Yeah,
event.
it's for charity.
Yeah, for charity. And in the first 10 minutes we were sold out. We were
That's
so
amazing.
everyone came. We had all types of students. Even the kids wanted to. Even their parents wanted to buy one for themselves. Yeah, it was really fine. What did you do?
So basically, when we had opportunity to set up a stall, we came up with this idea like food. Of course, who would not love eating food? Cupcakes, sweets.
I'm such a foodie for real.
Why?
Yeah.
That's right. So basically, we had a lot of campaign going on, and we heard a lot of games and concerts and tattoo making. So we came up with foods. Yeah, indeed, there were a lot of food stalls. But yeah, we came up with this cupcake food stall. So
I ate them.
come on,
and
even you
don't
had it.
start.
Yeah, I know you could.
We were competition in this thing, yeah.
Well, I ate both of yours. So
Brown
Yeah,
aesthetics versus red
we won't
aesthetics.
talk about that. Both were really good, and
For us, I feel like we chose to do the bakery sort of business because a lot of I think 3 of us in the group were very interested in cooking and baking. So we decided to do something in that because we knew we would make quality products. And then it was just really fun, especially because few of us were very design oriented, right? So they decided on how to set up the stall, how to make it look pretty to attract more people, to make more money because it's a charity, we need more money. It was really fun doing that. Wait, what did you do?
Oh, don't look at me like that. I did volunteering work.
What did you do? Volunteer.
So I was asked by one of the teachers to be with the water bottle stall.
Bad idea.
And people assumed that I had a water bottle stall, and they said it was very thoughtful and creative of me because many people are gonna come and I'll have a lot of money. But then it wasn't my idea. It was just volunteering work.
Also, remember how the alumni came
Oh,
for
yes.
us? That
Oh
was
my
so
God.
good. We made money with that also, like the registration for the
Registration fee.
friendly
So
matches.
they basically had these friendly matches. They had football, I guess, and
Football.
basketball.
Yes.
Yeah. It
And
was
as-
honestly fun.
I'm as our seniors this year. Hope they will be coming this year
Yeah,
soon.
hopefully they will
We'll
come
be meeting
back.
them soon.
Honestly, it was such a really good experience and a good opportunity for us to meet them because we get to interact with our seniors and get to know about their lives
Yeah,
right
because-
now as well.
We
It
didn't
helps
even
a
get
lot.
to know them since we came in first
Yeah.
PU and then they graduated by then.
it
Wait.
was so good to meet our seniors
Yeah.
that time.
Wait, what was our theme again? We totally forgot about the theme. What is the theme of the
Karunyam.
Karunya.
Oh my
God.
We totally forgot about that.
Yeah.
Which language is that word from?
I think
Are you-
it's Malayalam.
Okay. It means something like Daya or something. in
Karuna,
Hindi. Karuna.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Totally
It's a
deserving
very
one.
nice
Yes,
name.
yes,
That's
really.
nice.
And then, I feel this whole fundraising thing was a really big success because we were able to, raise up to 1,01,000 rupees to be precise.
Yeah, that's
a lot of-
that was
totally.
a lot of money.
I think 400, 500 people came to the
Travel.
event.
Many
Yeah,
this year.
around
It was very
500. Yeah.
I remember we had to like limit the amount of people coming because there were so
Yeah,
many.
yes.
Did you
It was
see the
crowded.
lines outside the
Yes.
photo booth?
Oh my God.
Photo booth was crazy. It was so
And
pretty.
people were crowded around the concerts.
Yeah,
that was
and
such
it
a big
was-
success.
yes,
Oh,
yes.
also the Goa braids.
Yeah,
Oh,
braids.
yes,
Those were
yes,
so many
yeah,
people
yeah.
had those braids in their hair.
I did too.
Yeah, I saw
It was
it.
fun.
Yeah,
It
I
was
saw
fun.
yours.
And the rolls, yummy rolls.
It was
and the
good.
barbecues.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
We remember after the event, like after the fundraiser, like we sent a bunch of students to do cultural programs.
Yes.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, indeed.
Yeah. I think they gave out sweets and there was dancing classes and I think there
They
else
give
was
out
there.
books and stationery as well. if I'm
Oh,
not
yeah.
wrong.
And goodies. How
There
can
were
we forget
goodies,
about
yeah.
them?
Yeah. No, also
lot
water
of-
bottles were donated.
Water
right?
bottles,
Oh,
yes,
Water
yes.
bottles, goodies, books, and stationery.
Yes.
Yeah.
Textbooks.
But you know what? I just feel this whole the whole setup that we had was a really good experience for us.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because
It
we
was very
learned
creative.
to handle that pressure and responsibility, but at the same time we enjoyed with our classmates.
Yes.
Yeah.
We got along with our classmates.
Hmm.
Because honestly, I know for sure
Yeah.
all of us had many fights in between
Yeah.
related to the stalls.
Yes, yes.
But
we
honestly,
did
it was
totally.
such a good experience.
It was.
It was. I can't wait for this year's SLP, guys.
my
I
god.
Same.
it all
I don't know
really-
what we're doing this year.
And this time, I'm
it's gonna
for
be
sure
more
keeping a
interesting.
stall. I'm not going to do anything.
Yeah.
It was fun. To be honest, it was fun. I learned responsibility, but I learned my lesson. So.
Yeah.
Right.